Hi and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will demonstrate the post widget and how to use it on an Elementor single template. And here we have a cafe, and towards the bottom we have an empty employees section. So let's add some employees. Employee is a custom post type, and connected to each post we have an advanced custom field called employer, where we have set the cafe. So let's go to our Elementor single template and add the post widget. Here we need to go to the query tab and change the post type to employees. Next we need to enter the correct custom field. We do that in the meta query custom fields section. Add an item. Need to add the meta key. And it is employer. Return name of key. Compare should be equal. And the meta value type should be numeric. And the meta value should be the post ID. Let's update and view on our cafe. And as you can see, the cafe now have employees. If we go to a cafe with no employees, you can see that it says nothing found. This information can be changed in the post widget itself. Let's go back to the cafe and refresh. As you can see, you can change the messages easily. If you have any questions, just ask them in the comment section below, and have a nice day.